Okay, so the first thing we do is we open up our drugs data set and we go over to graphs, chart builder. We open that up and we want to select simple bar. So we pull that up here. We're going to put our ecstasy and alcohol, our drugs, onto the x-axis. We're going to put our BDI Sunday onto the y-axis. We're going to delete our title. We're going to make sure it's selected on a mean and then display errors, and then we're going to delete our footnote. Then we press OK. Then we give it a second, and in a minute here, mine takes a while, it will pop up. Here it is. It's processing. Okay, we take this and we copy it. We export it, sorry. And we're gonna export it as a Word document, okay? Alrighty, then we're gonna go and do our second graph. Pull up drugs again. That's the wrong one. Pull up drugs. We're gonna go to graphs and chart builder. And this time the only thing we're changing is we're bringing in BDI Wednesday instead of BDI Sunday into the white axis. Then we're gonna press OK and we're gonna get our second. And what we do is we're gonna take these graphs and put them into our APA format, which I have already over here. We're gonna put our first figure there. Here it is. And then we're gonna copy and put our second figure in the second figure. And I don't know why mine are not showing color. I will have to sort that out later. I will figure out the kinks once I'm done with this video. Alrighty, now for our third graph, we're gonna open up fake names data set. We're gonna go to graphs, and this time we're gonna build a little bit different of a graph. We're gonna choose our clustered bar graph. We're gonna drag that up here, and our score is gonna go on the y-axis. Our name is gonna go in the x-axis. And our participant sex is going to go into the cluster on X. It's going to differentiate which one. It'll give us a little ID thing for it. Okay, we're going to delete our title. We want to make sure the mean is selected and we have our display bar error bars. And delete our footnote. Alrighty, why did it not display error bars? I don't know what's going on. Okay, I just had to do that twice, that's okay. Then we come over here and it'll pop up in just a second. Nope, that's my weather. Oops. Okay. This is a little frustrating. My computer is not listening to me. I'm trying to exit this out, but it's not working. Okay. And here it is. This is what I was looking for. And then we copy and paste this and put this into our Word doc. I'm going to put it right between the figure and the note. And well, for some reason this one came in colored, but our other ones didn't. So I will figure that out. But what we're going to do is we're going to come over to our Word doc and we're going to make sure there's alt text on these images. So to put an alt text, I already have it up on this side. We are going to say this is an image of a clustered bar data set. The name of the file is fake names. And then I have an idea. I'm just gonna take this and put this into my description. So that way I have a more detailed description. Well, it's not letting me. I'm gonna do that. So that is a really detailed description. Alrighty, and then I will finish this up and submit it, and that is the instructions on how to make the data set and put it into APA formatting. So yeah, we got to make sure our cover page is right. We have the cover page here. We have our introduction, we have our results, our figure 1, our image, we have alt text on all the images, we have our notes, we have our figure 2, notes, figure 3, and I will make this look a lot prettier. Then we have our references and footnotes. So this is how you make APA formatted.